So, in this video, I'm going to give you the top 5 programming languages to learn for beginners in 2023. But I will also tell you what language you should choose based on your interests, motivation, and drive. So, let's get started. Now, Python continues to be a very popular choice in beginners and experienced programmers alike due to its simple syntax and versatility. It is widely used in scientific computing, data analysis, machine learning, and web development. Now, coming at number 2 spot, JavaScript is essential for web development, and its popularity has only increased with the rise of front-end framework like React and Vue. It is also used for server-side development and building mobile and desktop applications for the frameworks like React Native and Electron. Now, Rust is a systems programming language that has gained popularity due to its focus on performance and memory safety. But also keep in mind that this is a very complicated language, so you need to have a really good commitment before starting to learn Rust. We have at number 4 spot Kotlin. Kotlin is a modern programming language for Android. Now, Java used to rule the area of Android development for many years, but slowly Kotlin is becoming the preferred language for Android and is being used by companies like Google, Netflix, and Amazon. We have the language Swift. Swift is used for developing iOS, macOS, and watchOS applications, but you really have no other choice when it comes to good performance on iOS applications. You have to learn this language if you want to build better applications for iOS. Many modern companies use Swift like LinkedIn, Stack, and Lyft. Now let's suggest these languages based on a student's profile. For a student who's highly motivated and passionate about machine learning and data analysis or scientific computing, I would recommend Python. It is a versatile language and has a large and supportive community, making it easy to find resources and get help when needed. For a student who's interested in web development and has a creative and design-oriented background, I would recommend JavaScript. It is essential for building modern, interactive web application and has a lot of room for creativity and experimentation. Now, for a student who's interested in systems programming, performance, and low-level development, I would recommend Rust. It is a challenging language, as I said, but it offers unique benefits like memory safety and concurrency that makes it a valuable skill to have. And finally, for a student who's interested in mobile app development and working with the Android ecosystem, of course, it would be Kotlin. It is becoming the preferred language for Android development and offers a more modern and concise syntax than Java. Same thing again, beginners interested in mobile app development but in iOS should choose to learn Swift. It is the primary programming language for developing iOS, macOS, and watchOS applications. And that was it. If you're looking to go deep in web development, you can watch this video where I go deep into the pathway to becoming a web developer in 2023.